Hey, I've got something fabulous to share with you today. I've compiled a list of the top 10 best makeup brands in the world. Oh, really? That sounds amazing. I'm always looking for good makeup recommendations. But, I'm still a beginner at all this makeup stuff. No worries, that's why I'm here. I'll guide you through the list. Okay, let's start with number 10. Urban Decay. They're known for their vibrant eyeshadow palettes and long-lasting setting sprays. Perfect for those fun nights out. They have a wide range of products to suit every style. Their naked eyeshadow palettes are perfect for creating subtle, everyday looks. Plus, their foundations and concealers are known for giving a flawless, natural finish. The name might sound unusual, but their products are top-notch. They are cruelty-free and have a reputation for high-quality, long-lasting makeup. That's a relief to hear. I wouldn't want my face to look like it's falling apart. At number 9, we have NYX Professional Makeup. They offer a wide range of affordable and high-quality products. It's like a treasure trove for makeup lovers on a budget. Oh, you're in for a treat. NYX offers a fantastic range of products at affordable prices. They have everything from lipsticks to eyeshadows, foundations, and more. Their quality is top-notch too. Sounds interesting, but I'm not sure where to start. I feel overwhelmed with so many options. What's next on the list? Number 8 is Too Faced. They have the cutest packaging and some amazing mascaras. You'll fall in love with their Better Than Sex mascara. It's a cult favorite. The name is funny. Alright, moving on. Number 7 is Estee Lauder. A classic brand known for its luxurious foundation and skincare products. They've been in the game for a long time. Oh, fancy. Who's next? At number 6, we have Fenty Beauty. Rihanna's brand has been a game changer, especially with its inclusive shade range. Their highlighters are to die for. You have got such pretty eyes. The eyeshadow range is made for you. You will fall in love with it. Rihanna knows her stuff. She is also my favorite singer. I am sure her makeup products will be as good as her music. Number 5 goes to MAC Cosmetics. They are an all-time favorite, known for their lipsticks and Studio Fix foundation. You can't go wrong with MAC. The makeup brand offers a wide range of products suitable for all skin colors and types. It is a must-try. Do check out the makeup range by MAC. I've seen MAC stores everywhere. The brand is quite popular. I think I must visit one of the stores someday. Now, tell me about the top 4. Alright. At number 4, we have Benefit Cosmetics. They're all about brows. Their brow products are fantastic, and they also offer some lovely blushes. Do check out their products. They're awesome. Brows are so important, right? I need to check them out. Who's number 3? Number 3 is NARS. Known for their sleek packaging and iconic blush in the shade Orgasm. Their products are top-notch. I tried their foundation range. The coverage is unbelievable. If you have got freckles or pimples, the foundation will cover all the spots and scars. Orgasm? That's an interesting name for a blush. We're almost there, right? Yes, we are. At number 2, we have Anastasia Beverly Hills. Their eyebrow products are phenomenal, and their eyeshadow palettes are a must-have for any makeup lover. The products are a must-try. If you are interested in a makeover, then the products are a must-try. Eyebrows seem to be a recurring theme here. So, which brand takes the number 1 spot? I am looking forward to find out. Drum roll, please. The crown goes to Sephora Collection. Wait, isn't that Sephora's own brand? Exactly. They offer a wide range of products at affordable prices and maintain excellent quality. It's a one-stop shop for makeup essentials. Wow, I had no idea Sephora Collection was that good. See, there's so much to explore in the world of makeup. It's all about finding what works best for you. Now, let's plan a shopping spree. Yes, please. You the best, Emma. So when are we going for shopping together? You are going with me. By the way, I am quite impressed with your rankings today. Now I know why you look so pretty all the time. Sure. Let's go shopping together. Meet me tomorrow.